everybody, Paul Merlot here. During this pandemic, just want to post a quick video on things you can do, especially artwork, when you're kind of stuck at home, you're looking for something to do. Even if you don't have a lot of supplies, you can always just do some artwork, enhance your skills, practice your skills. All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and you're ready to go. What I wanted to show you today was a quick drawing, a quick lesson on how to draw the human eye. A lot of people have a hard time with it, and it's really fun to do. It can look really cool if you know how to do it. So here you go. Let me see if I can flip this real quick. So here we go. You have your paper, you got your pencil, and what you want to do is don't draw too small. Draw pretty big. Here's how we're going to start today. Start with just a simple circle. Does not have to be big at all. Just very general, very simple. You can see mine's not that great right now. All right. The first thing we want to do is just kind of go to the side of it and continue and almost draw like a little shark fin off the side. See that? Kind of looks like a shark fin. All right. And that's the corner of the eye. Then what you can do is find the center, draw a little line, and extend it outward. See that? And that's where the other corner of our eye is going to be. So I'll start from the top. And there you go. Now we have the basic shape. Next step, work on the eyelids. Here we go. We're going to start from corner. And we're going to bring the eyelid all the way over, just like that. Then we're going to work on the bottom one. And feel free to pause this every so often. Stop, work on it, draw it. Okay? And you can see we're there now. And we have the basic shape. Okay? And you can always add to it if you like. Okay? Next part, we're going to start to work on the outer shape of the actual eyeball. So here's the edge. One side. Here's the other side. And then inside the eyeball, you're going to have your pupil and your iris. So what you want to do is you want to try to kind of center where that would be. Here it is. All right, there is our iris. That's the colorful part of our eye, and the pupil would be right inside there. The other thing you want to do is draw a little light spot where the light hits it to show, make it look a little bit more realistic. You can draw one or two little shapes. It's fine. And then you can start to shade in dark. You want to use a dark pencil. That pupil, that's the black part of the eye. Okay. Try to keep it round as possible. And then from there, now you can start to shade in the iris. And it's just little lines, almost like a spoke of the bicycle wheel, okay? Coming from the pupil out. That's how I shade it in. All right, once you have that, now you can kind of trace around that a bit, make it dark. Okay, go around the top part a little bit, pupil. All right. And then, now comes a time where you can start put the eyelashes on, all right, and the eyelid. So, start right up top here. On the bottom as well. And here's where you might add your eyelashes. And they should just come off the paper with your pencil, just like that. Same thing with the bottom. All right. Now, what you can do is you could shade in with your finger a little bit where the corner is. Same thing over here. Just add a little bit of take a little bit of that graphite and just blend it. Same thing with the top. See that? You can really create a nice little look there. And if you have some darker pencils, you can go back over. Okay. And then this would be the part of the eye where the nose would come out. So if you want to start to even practice where that nose would be, you know, that's where it kind of would be centered. Your eyebrow would be kind of up here. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my phone at the same time as I draw. Let's see here. Okay. And you can reverse that for the other side of the eye, but that's how you do it. So take a shot at it, give it a try. All you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, okay? And you can start to learn how to draw the human eye. Hope everybody's safe, healthy, and try to have fun, all right? Take care, everybody.